Welcome to the installation guide for 3W liners. Before installation, clear away dirt and debris. Place the driver's side floor mat into position. Once it's properly seated, line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and press down firmly to secure the mat. Now, repeat the same process for the front passenger side. Position the mat carefully and make sure all edges sit flush against the floor for a clean, custom fit. Lift up the second row seats. Install the rear floor mat, slide it into position, and adjust it to make it fit. Ensure the mat lays flat and covers the rear floor area evenly. Line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and press down firmly to secure the mat. Finally, place the trunk mats into the trunk. Make sure to align all the edges carefully to get maximum protection from 3W's floor mat. You can now take out our patented modular cargo holder and install it according to your specific needs. Once installed, the cargo holder helps further secure the items placed in your truck bed area, preventing damage caused by movement or shifting during driving. That's it! Your 3W liners are now fully installed and ready to protect your Ram 1500. Thank you for watching.